8:30 and we're on our way to the Happy Bar to meet the people who are in there. You get these cards, you fill in your height, your weight, your age and what you want. We go and collect our equipment. Here we have Nick getting her skis. That's where you get your ski hire, in those two doors. Then you walk around past that unit there, in here, and then you queue up to go up to the gondola. This is the ski room under block 1 of the Kempinski. And each of these drawers moves. You have nice little heater rods to heat your shoes or your ski boots for your room at the end of the day. And somewhere to clip your skis. Seems long, but it's only about 20 minutes at the gondola.
Старый 4 мегапикселя. 4. Ничего страшного.
У нас 1 и тут пиксель.
We have to be tested first. We were up there. We have a very good ski instructor called Bobby. He's making us do things in a regimented way. This is an exercise where you have to ski and lift one ski off.
Are you tired from the long journey?
Yeah. Not too bad, not too bad.
So it's nice.
Yeah. Just such a late night last night. Yeah.
Okay, let's go a little bit further down, deeper.
In a line?
No, free down there.
This is another.
Where the cables go?
No, here on the left. This is another blue run. Blue is the equivalent of green, but that's a slightly red part in the middle. It's interesting, quite icy. The familiar music of the top cabin. Bansko in the distance. A big blah blah. Having a good time? Oh, that sounds like a bit knackered. They'll be perked up after their lager and rum now, you wait. Right opposite the four-man lift at the top. It was a laugh smuggling out bread and meat from the Kempinski breakfast this morning, and the only other thing that doesn't break is a boiled egg. Most of the time Bobby is dressed up like the Stig. You can't see his face or anything. We're going to try that blue one in the background, or the red one rather, before the end of the week. Crazy big? Yeah. Here we have Ken, the #1 cameraman. He's got a man cold.
Yep, it's a snotty hilarious one.
Ooh.
We're very late.
Yep.
There's a pity you weren't here. The guy came along and filmed us and now we're going to have a DVD.
So I understand, yes. Yeah, he'd have it better than me, I think.
Except I went over a jumping can out like, you know, the small. Oh yeah.
Après ski. Don't move the shoulders, just the elbows.
Just the wrist, yeah.
Pole just as you're on the apex. I've taken Nick to a posh restaurant where I've hired James Blunt for the night.
I've only got...
The outside pool is warmer.
Okay. After you, Nikolai.
Good, she's standing on turning, standing bend. Stand, bend. Oh, you make it look so easy. Tell us where we are.
We're on the wall.
The top of the wall.
Okay, after we finish down there, we will talk more about this.
Here we go. Halfway down the black. Horizontal. On the wall. Very easy. So Mike, what's it like to have done a long black?
Did the wall!